Hey loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So Italian curls is the hair that we're going to use for today's tutorials, and it is by Angel, and this is how the hair looks like outside the back. So we do have 8 pieces of this hair. So the next step is just start unraveling the hair. So it will all depend with how big you want to crochet the hair through your cornrow. So this is the amount of hair that I'm going to crochet. Okay, so you will decide on the size that you want to crochet, and my braiding pattern is pretty much simple, just some simple cornrows going all the way to the very back. And by the way guys, happy new year. Hope you had a fantastic new year, and I'm wishing you all the best in everything that you do. So yeah, so let's start installing the hair, which is pretty much simple, and anyone can literally do this hairstyle. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start by passing my crochet through my braid, or rather through my cornrow, and then I'll just take my crochet hair and I'm going to attach it onto the hook, close the last hook. Then I'm going to take only one strand and I'm going to secure it 2 times. If you have just bumped this channel, welcome. So I do create hair tutorials, and if it's something that you enjoy watching, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video to your loved one, and you can always comment. You can always leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, please just drop them in the comment section down below. So moving on, we are just doing the same thing. Okay, so I'll start by taking my crochet needle and I'm going to pass it through my braid, just like so. Attach my crochet hair and then I'm going to pull it through. Okay, so after that I'll just secure my hair 2 times. Okay, just to make sure that my hair is like a nice and secured, and that it doesn't come out of or stuff like that. So we're going to do again. Okay, take my crochet needle, pass it through, just like you can see in the video. Take only 1 strand. Okay, and just to make sure that it is nice and secured, I'm going to knot it 2 times, and the process is pretty much repetitive. That is what I'm going to do for the remaining part of my hair. And again, if you have watched this video till here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy watching hair tutorials, so this is the time to subscribe for many amazing hair videos that I'm going to show to all of us, so that you can learn how to do our own hairstyles at the comfort of our home. So this is how far I have crochet the hair, and like I said, the process is pretty much repetitive, very simple, very beginner friendly, and anyone can just do this hairstyle at the comfort of their home. Okay, so if you're going for a fuller look, like the same look that I'm going for, then 2 packs of this hair is just more than enough, and you can get it at any local beauty store near you. And like I said in the beginning of the video, the name of this hair is Italian curls, and it is by Angel. So you can grab this hair at any local beauty store near you. So I got to use 1 pack, the whole pack of this hair, and the second pack I only got to use 2 bundles of this hair. And like I said earlier, a pack has got 8 pieces of this hair, so I only got to use like 10 pieces. So 8 from the 1 pack, and then the second pack I only got to use 2 pieces of this hair. So 2 packs of this hair is just more than enough if you're going for a full look. But if you don't like too much hair, then 1 pack is just pretty much enough. So I'll just let the video play, and I hope that you guys will find it easy to follow. And if you will, please don't forget again to subscribe, like, comment and share. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for the 800 of you who have subscribed to this channel. So yeah, I'll just let this video play, and hoping that you guys will find it easy to follow.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you.
So guys, now that I'm done, I'll just take my pair of scissors and just, trim off the excess hair that you might be having here and there. And then after that, I'll take my edge control brush and I'll just tease this hair right at the front, just like you can see in the video, just to, kind of hide the knots and also to make this hair look a little bit natural, okay, from the front. Okay, and this is what we have as the finished look. You can tell the difference. And yeah guys, this was it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.